This is second grade Go Math lesson 4.1, and today we're going to break ones apart to add. The directions say break apart ones to make a 10, then add and write the sum. Excuse me. Now there's two ways to look at this. When it says make a 10, you might be thinking we're going to make this 9 into a 10, but it's actually talking about making the larger number into a nice base 10 number. So either 60 or 70. And today we're going to make these numbers larger. So to do that, we're going to have to take away some numbers from the 9, add it to 62 to make it 70, and then get our final answer. A lot of these strategies do take longer on paper, but the idea behind it is to be able to build a stronger background and be able to do these problems in your mind eventually. So, if we look here, we have 62. We need to figure out how many more do we need to make 70. Of course, we could count up. Some of you may already know your facts, so you might know what to put here. So you might already know 2 plus 8 makes 10, and that's what we're trying to get to is 70. So 8 added to 62 would make 70. So what we're going to do, break this apart. Now, like I said, you could count up if you're not quite ready for that yet. You could say 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. So I use all 5 of my fingers, then I use 3 more. No, the other hand is holding the camera, or the phone, the camera phone. And so that makes 8 total. So I should have 8 right here. If I take away 8 from 9, I have 1 left. So if I circle these, I know my new number here is going to be 70. Now, one thing I do not like is that they did not give us very much space to do this, because this does require some space. So you kind of have to work with what you have there. Maybe use an extra sheet of paper if needed. Cross out this 9, and now the number I have left over is 1. So my new equation is 70 plus 1, and that's much easier to add, to make. So the point of all this is to make, to allow yourself to be able to do mental math, and eventually it becomes easier. So the answer is 71, because 70 plus, I have 7 tens, 1, which would make 71. I'll show you, let's do number 5 here, just skip around a little bit. And I have number 57. Now I'm not going to worry about what's in the tens right now. I'm looking at the ones, and I have 7, so I need to go up to 60. I want to make this a 0, make this a nice round number here, so it's easier to add the ones to it instead of 7 plus 6. So I know if I count up, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 60 in this case. So that needs 3 more. So I'm going to cross out my 6. Put a 3 right here. I know 3 plus 3 makes 6, so there's the other 3 here. I'm going to join this with this, so it just means I'm adding them together. And I'm going to write 60. I crossed out my 6 already, so I have 3 left over. So 60 plus 3. So 60 plus 3, that's an easy problem, as opposed to 57 plus 6. So now my answer is 63. Again, this is just a strategy. There's different ways to do this. But this is one of the better strategies if you're going to do it in your head. So we're just trying to prepare the students to be able to manipulate numbers easily in their mind.